Hello students, let us start with few more questions of the fractions and the decimal. Yesterday we revised chapter 1, that is integers. Now we revise few more questions related to fractions and decimal. Now let us revise few questions from exercise 2.1 and then exercise 2.2. Alright, exercise 2.1, question number 7. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? Now I have selected a statement based question. As we have already done a few questions related to the addition, subtraction and multiplication of the fractions. In continuation of those questions, I have selected few statement based questions so that you can understand how the operations of the mathematics, that is addition or subtraction or the multiplication, is used for the statement based questions. Alright, by these questions you can complete your exercise 2.1 and 2.2 now. Alright, now the question is, first of all understand the statement line by line, one by one statement. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple. Okay, what is given? An apple is given. Alright, and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. The one thing you must understand here, any quantity or anything else is given, that is considered as 1. A complete number, a complete thing is considered as 1. So if we start the answer, first we must write one apple or a given apple is equal to one quantity. Alright, this is very important part. One apple given or one box is given or whatever the situations is given, that is considered as the whole part is considered as a 1. एक complete thing को हम 1 का नाम देंगे यहाँ पे. Alright, then Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple. Now complete apple is equal to 1. Now Ritu ate, यानी रितु ने कितना खाया? 3 by 5 part of an apple. You must write step by step. As you read the statement, you must write the things given. Alright, otherwise you get confused by reading the complete statement together. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. Alright, now how much part is remaining which is eaten by the Somu? How much part of the apple did Somu eat? फिर सोमू ने कितना खाया? अब अगर हमने वन एप्पल को कंप्लीट को 1 सपोज नहीं किया, 1 कंसीडर नहीं किया, देन हाउ कैन वी कैन फाइंड आउट द रिमेनिंग पार्ट? ऑलराइट, सो कोई भी चीज आपको दियो, होल पार्ट को आप 1 कंसीडर करेंगे. ऑलराइट, now the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. What is the remaining part? The complete part is 1. The complete one thing is equal to 1. Alright, and Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple. An apple is equal to 1 and Ritu ate 3 by 5 part. So we must subtract 3 by 5 from 1. Alright, 1 is a complete part and 3 by 5 part, that the apple eaten by the Ritu. So for finding the part that is eaten by the Somu, we must subtract 1 minus 3 by 5. 3 by 5 subtracted from the complete part. Alright, how we can subtract the whole number? How we can subtract a fractional number from a whole number? Okay, how the whole number subtract a fractional number? The process you know very well, as we have done in the previous videos, that you must change the whole number into a fractional number. How we can change the whole number into a fractional number? We can divide any number with 1 to write that whole number in the form of the fractions, because in fractions we need a numerator and a denominator. Alright, so we can write every whole number in the form of the fractions. We can divide 1 to every number. हर नंबर को हम 1 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. This one does not affect the value of the number. Just to solve the quantities, that's why we divide 1 by 1, so that we get a numerator and a denominator. Now 1 by 1, subtract 3 by 5. Now to subtract any two fractional numbers, their denominators must be same. How we can make the denominator same? Here the denominator is 5. So we must make the denominator of first term also is equal to 5. To make the 1 change into 5 by multiplying it with 5. But when we are going to multiply the denominator with 5, we must multiply the numerator also with 5. So we must multiply the numerator and the denominator with 5. We get 5 divided by 5 minus 3 by 5. So instead of 1 minus 3 by 5, we can change the fractions number like this by placing the 1 in the denominator, then by multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number for making the denominator same. Then after this, now the denominators are same, we can take the LCM of these numbers, and that is 5. So 5 subtracted from 3, the numerators are subtracted. 5 minus 3 gives us 2 by 5. So the part that is eaten by the Somu is 2 by 5 of the apple. We can check this, that if the 2 by 5 part is eaten by Somu and 3 by 5 part is eaten by Ritu, the addition of these two parts is always equal to complete apple, that is 1. We can check our answer by adding the Ritu part and the Somu part. Alright, that is a method to check. Alright, now next is, let us understand the next part. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? That we have already found out, that is 2 by 5. Write down the answer. So Somu eat 2 by 5 part of an apple. Next. So our next part is, who had the larger share? ज़्यादा किसने खाया? रितु ने या सोमू ने? Now, which one is greater? 3 by 5 is greater or 2 by 5 is greater? As you know, when the denominators are similar, so we must compare only numerator. Alright, and in numerator 3 is greater than 2. So the Ritu ate larger share as 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. This is the answer of its second part. Now third is, by how much? By how much means we have to find out the difference between both the parts. That Ritu ate 3 by 5 part and Somu ate 2 by 5 part. What is the difference between them? So that we can find out that Ritu ate how much larger share. How much larger share. So the difference between the shares is, as Ritu ate larger, so 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 is written. Because Somu share is less and Ritu share is greater. So greater number में से smaller number को subtract करो. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, as denominators are similar. So LCM is 5. Numerator are subtracted. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 5. So the difference between the shares is 1 by 5. So we can say Ritu ate 1 by 5 part larger, 1 by 5 part more than Somu. So you can write at the end that Ritu ate 1 by 5 part more than Somu. I thought you very well understand this kind of questions. How we can find out the complete, anything else is given, that is the complete part is taken as 1. Then we can, one part is given to you. You can find by the subtraction second part, that is complete minus the given part. So after that one, you can compare both the parts and you can find out the difference, so that you can you must understand that whose part is greater by how much? So Ritu's share is greater by 1 by 5. So student, I thought you very well understand this kind of statement based question. Now, second question I have selected for you. Exercise 2.2, question number 6. Multiply and express as mixed fraction. So what is the process? First of all, you have to multiply the given terms. Then the result is expressed as the mixed fraction. Now question is 3 is to 2 by 5 multiplied with 8. So a mixed fraction is multiplied with the whole number. For this, first of all, we must change a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Then multiplied with the whole part. How we can change? The process is the denominator is multiplied with 3. That is the complete या whole part. The 3. So 3 is multiplied with 5. Then 2 is, that is numerator is added and the denominator is remaining same, that is 5. Only the numerator change when we change the mixed fraction into improper. Process is 3 multiplied with 5 plus 2. That is 3 into 5 plus 2 gives us 15 plus 2 17 divided by 5. Now multiplied with 8. 8 is a whole number. How we can change this into fraction? 8 can be divided by 1. We can write 8 by 1 instead of 8. So that this number also look like a fractional number with numerator 8 and denominator 1. Now after solving this mixed fraction into improper, we get 17 by 5 multiplied with 8 by 1. Result is 136 divided by 5. You must understand how we can multiply two such kind of numbers which both are in fractions. Alright, these two are the fractional number. That is multiplication of a fractional number with a fractional number, and both are improper fractions. So when fractional number is multiplied with a fractional number, as I told you, result is the multiplications of the numerator. That is 17 is multiplied with 8, we get 136, and denominator is result is the multiplication of the denominators, that is 5 multiply 1. So when we multiply fractional number with the fractional number, numerators are multiplied and denominators are multiplied. So this is the result of first part, that is multiply. Next part, express as mixed fraction. Now understand, now express 136 by 5 as mixed fraction. We must divide 5 to 136. 5 को 136 को divide कर दो 5 से by the simple division method. So when we multiply 136 by 5, we get result is 27. That is the complete part, or that is the answer. But the remainder is 1. Alright. So how we can write this division as the mixed fraction? The complete part or the whole part multiplied with is to, that is at the center, then remainder at the numerator, and 5, that is divisor at the denominator. So we can write 27 is to 1 by 5. This is the method to write the, express the improper fraction into mixed fraction. I thought you very well understand this kind of questions. The next question I have selected for you is statement based question. One more, that is from exercise 2.2, question number 8. You must understand how the statement based question are solved with the help of mathematical operation related to fractions. The question is, understand the statement. 2 times you must read the statement. Only then you can understand the statement. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. There are 2 members. One is Vidya and second is Pratap. Their mother gave them a water bottle. All right. How many water bottles are there? Only one water bottle is there. Like in this, there is only one apple. That is equal to 1. In the similar way, there is only one water bottle. All right. That contains 5 liters of water. How much water is in the one bottle? That is 5 liter. This is the complete quantity. One bottle in which 5 liters of water, that is the complete quantity, that is equal to 1, like in this. Alright, complete quantity we can say in the form of the fraction is equal to 1. Now, Vidya consumed 2 by 5 part of the water. The water complete water is written as 1, and how much Vidya consumed? 2 by 5 part of that water. The quantity is not given. This is the only part. How much part is given? Alright. Now the total quantity is in liters, that is 5 liter. Second line, the Pratap consumed the remaining water. It means Pratap ने क्या किया? बाकी पानी प्रताप ने लिया. First is Vidya consumed, then Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water is remaining? We must find out. Now, answers for these two questions. How much water did Vidya drink? First of all, how much water did Vidya drink? Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. This is the only part is given. That is 2 by 5 of the total. Alright. So, we have to find out the exact quantity because quantity is 5 liters. This is the exact quantity given. Now, let us start the question. Total water in water bottle is equal to 5 liters. Alright, this is given. Now, in second line, it is given that Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Of the water means of 5 liters of water. Because total water is 5 liters. Na? So, Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of 5 liter of water. Alright. So, Vidya ने 2 by 5 consume किया. किसका? Total जो है 5 liters, उसका 2 by 5. So, we must write like Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of 5 liters. Of water is given na. So, after of you must write 5 liters. Now, you know very well, as I told you, the meaning of is, the meaning of means we must put a multiplication sign in the place of. According to statement, Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of water, or we can write 2 by 5 of 5 liters because total water is 5 liters. But in the fractions, of means the multiplication. Alright. So 2 by 5 is multiplied with 5 liters to solve this statement into mathematical form. 2 by 5 multiplied with 5. Now 5 is a whole number. How we can change into fractions? We can place a 1 in the denominator so that there is a numerator and a denominator for the fractional number. So 2 by 5 is multiplied with 5 by 1. So 2 is multiplied with 5 because when two fractional numbers are multiplied, the numerator is multiplied with the numerator, the denominator is multiplied with the denominator. 2 multiply 5 gives us 10, 5 multiply 1 gives us 5. Now 10 by 5 is our result when we divide these two numbers by 5 because we can only then we can get the smallest value of this fraction. Alright, 5 divide 10 at 2, so we get 2 by 10, or we can write 2 even. 2, how much 2? What is 2? 2 is in liters because in the starting the water is given in the form of the liters. Total water is 5 liter. So when we find out the Vidya consume, how much consumed, the quantity we find out with the help of the part. This is the only part given. 2 by 5 of 5 liters. When we solve this off, we get the answer is 2 liters. So Vidya consumed 2 liters. Total water is 5 liters. Then how much Pratap consumed? Because Pratap consumed remaining water. How much remaining? So Pratap consumed remaining water, and how much remaining? Total is 5 liters. Vidya consumed 2 liters. When we subtract these two, we get the answer is 3 liters. So I thought you understand these three statements, that total water is 5 liters. Vidya consumed 2 liters. Pratap consumed 3 liters. Now, its first question, how much water did Vidya drink? Vidya drink 2 liters. Alright. Now second question is, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? In this question, हमें ये बताना है कि कितना फ्रैक्शन टोटल क्वांटिटी का प्रताप ने ड्रिंक किया. जैसे हमें ये फ्रैक्शन दिया हुआ था विद्या का, ऑलराइट, ऐसे ही फ्रैक्शन हमें प्रताप का भी निकालना है. Quantity though we know that 3 liters, alright, but in the form of the fraction, how much part of the total Pratap consumed, we have to find out that one, and that we have to do with the help of this kind of question, in which 1 apple is equal to 1, na? That is anything else given that is equal to 1. In the similar way, total water which is in the water bottle, 1 water bottle is there, 1 water bottle as the total water is equal to 1. Quantity is 5 liters. But when we considered about the part, na, every total quantity which is given, like an apple, this is the complete apple given, which is equal to 1. In the similar way, the total water in the water bottle is considered as 1. Whatever it is given, like water is given or apple is given, we must consider that complete part as 1. Now, how much Vidya consumed in the form of the part? 2 by 5 part of the total. Alright, so Vidya consumed 2 by 5 part. So how much Pratap consumed? So we can find out by subtracting Vidya part from the टोटल. अगर हम टोटल पार्ट में से विद्या का पार्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें, सो हमारे पास किसका पार्ट आ जाएगा? प्रताप का. ये हमने क्वांटिटीज निकाला, एग्जैक्ट क्वांटिटी दी हुई थी, ये हमने सिर्फ उसका हाउ मच पार्ट इज गिवन दैट वी फाइंड आउट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस मेथड. ऑलराइट, सो टोटल वाटर इज 1, विद्या कंज्यूम 2 by 5 part, so Pratap consumed 1 minus 2 by 5. In the similar way as we have done in this question, change the whole part into fractional part by dividing by 1. Now change to for finding the denominators must be similar. For subtracting or for addition, the denominators must be similar. To make this denominator to change 1 into 5, we must multiply the numerator and the denominator with 5. Then subtract the 2 by 5. Alright, so now this first number of fraction, that is whole part, change into 5 by 5. Instead of 1, this change into 5 by 5 by using the properties of the fractions. Minus 2 by 5. So 5 by 5 minus 2 by 5, by taking LCM, we get 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 by 5. So Pratap drink 3 by 5 part of the water. Vidya drink 2 by 5 part and Pratap drink 3 by 5 part of the water. These are the parts of the total. Alright, and these are the quantities of the total quantity. So you must understand this type of question. These are very important questions, because in these questions you must understand the situations, the conditions given, and then you have to use the mathematical operation. Which mathematical operation is used? Here the multiplication is used, because the of is used, and of stand for multiplication in fractions. And then we have to use the subtraction for finding the remaining part, as we have done in this question. So you must understand the conditions, the statement, only then you can use the different kinds of mathematical operations of the fraction. I thought you very well understand the exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Now students, you must complete exercise 2.1 and 2.2 in your notebook.